Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a contributor account on Getty Images. To begin, go to Getty Images Contributor. Click Apply Now and scroll down to download the app to apply. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Getty Image Contributor and install the app on your phone. Make sure to use the same email account on both your computer and phone. Once downloaded, open the app, which may take some time initially. If you don't have an account yet, click on Get Started and provide an active email address along with selecting your country. Then proceed to the next step. Here, you will need to choose 3 to 6 images, illustrations, or videos for review. Then click Submit. After submitting your content, it may take 3 to 7 days to receive the review results. You will be notified via email about the acceptance status. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.